Okay guys, good morning. Today I'm going to talk about this unit. This is a main board from a 1 kVA of a Chinese inverter. The fault with this board is that it does not give output even when it's showing on the screen that there's output. It will read on the screen 220 volt out, but you will not be able to measure anything at the terminals. You won't be able to measure the voltage at the output terminal of the said inverter. So after doing a lot of troubleshooting, I discovered there was a washer damage, but that's not why this relay was stuck. I tested the relays, tested the voltage at this point. As when while the board is powered on, I tested that there is availability of 220 volts across these two terminals, which is the filter capacitor at the output stage. That's what filters out the noise through a coil as a filter choke that's here. This is the capacitor I'm talking about. This is the guy. This is the filter coil. This is the capacitor. So after measuring that there was 220 volts there, I concluded that it's gonna be this relay. And behold, when I remove them from board, when I remove and tested these two relay, sorry, it's taking me. When I tested this relay, it showed clearly that the relay is bad. Yeah, it showed clearly that it's bad. So I'm going to replace this relays with this, and then I will test the unit again, and I will do a separate video of it and post it. You can see this is a 1 kVA version of it. For those who know it, you can tell this is the 1 kilowatt version of this. Thank you.